And welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME past question 8. Which of the following pairs has one vector and one scalar quantity? A. Displacement, acceleration. B. Potential, energy and work. C. Speed and power. D. Kinetic energy and force. E. Velocity and momentum. Now the question is asking us to tick the options amongst these options that has one vector quantity and one scalar quantity, and ask yourself, what is a vector quantity? Now, vector quantity are simply quantities that have magnitude and direction. Now it has magnitude and it has direction. That's for a vector quantity. Now a scalar quantity, on the other hand, has only magnitude. Now a scalar quantity has magnitude but no direction. It has only magnitude. Now let's take a look at these options. It says displacement and acceleration. Now displacement is what? It has magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity. I will represent vector quantities by V and scalar quantity by S. Scalar, I will represent it by S. So now displacement is a vector quantity. Now acceleration, it has magnitude and direction also, so it is a vector quantity. So this is not the answer, because our answer is asking us for the quantity, the option that possesses quantities with scalar and vector. So we are expecting to see V and S, vector and scalar. Now potential energy, now all energies are referred to as scalar quantities, so potential energy is a scalar quantity. Work done also is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity, S. So you see, this is not the answer too. We have speed and power. Speed and power. Speed now, S is what? Speed is a scalar quantity and power is also a scalar quantity, so this is not the answer. Now D, we have kinetic energy and force. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity, S, and force is a vector quantity, V. So now you can see we've achieved V and S. Now D is the answer. Now let's look at option D. Velocity is a vector quantity and momentum is also a vector quantity, but kinetic energy is a scalar and force is a vector, and the question is asking us for the options that contains a vector, one vector and one scalar. That's option D. So the answer to this particular question is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.